Irwan. Ini ada Om Andi. Ya.
Apa itu coba?
Ke kamar mandinya, bak mandinya sampai coklat kayak gitu kayak air sawah. Pakainya itu juga gimana ya kelas?
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the I always get it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted. Stay humble. Now wake up. It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat malam. Kapan aja lah, kapan aja waktu pas saat nonton ini aja video ini. Hari ini kita jalan-jalan santai. Kebetulan masih pagi, jadi lancar-lancar aja. Cuma memang kita lagi ambil track untuk kontraflow-nya. Ini ada Om Irwan, ini ada Om Andi. Ya, oke.
Kalau di dalam mobil nggak bisa joget-joget kayak tadi ya?
Iya, Om Andi bisa joget tadi ya. Oke. Ya udah, mudah-mudahan lancar hari ini kerjaan kita, jalan-jalan santai. Ya nanti sampai balik lagi. Oke, ikutin terus ya. Assalamualaikum.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I
laut.
Kopi dulu.
Ayo gue nggak minta dikit.
Enggak sih. Tapi emang kalau pengen enak jangan banyak-banyak biar kental. Karena juga kalau mau ngopi hitam di rumah juga di rumah ngopinya kental. Makanya nggak pakai. Makanya lebih suka yang nggak special mix gitu. Jadi yang kopinya aja. Biar lebih nampol.
Nggak diaduk kan.
Oh iya. Emang sengaja? Hah?
Enak ya kan. Ngikutin itu tukang gojek. Kopi jangan diaduk. Pahitnya pahit. Manisnya numpang doang gitu.
Cuma numpang lewat semeriwing, manisnya semeriwing.
Tapi pakai air nggak? Pakai air tuh? Enggak pakai air.
Ini adukan semen. Itu adukan semen bukan air.
Yang itu enak tuh ya, yang 2003 udah kata gula.
Apa tuh? Oh.
Ada kan?
2003
Kecil ya?
pakai gula.
Yang gulas.
Plastiknya sama sih, sasetan.
Tapi kapal api.
Nggak ada gula, kapal api.
Iya, emang ada yang nggak pakai gula.
Nggak ada gulanya. Khusus.
Bungkusnya lebih kecil.
Ada yang kecil.
Bungkusnya lebih kecil. Cuma dia nggak pakai gula aja.
Mau naker, kalau kita naker, apa nggak pakai gula bisa.
Ini jembatan ini nyebrang buat ke sana nih. Yang saya sebelah sana. Gue pusing tadi.
Cuma akses ke pemukimannya sebelah mana ya? Sebelah sini apa sebelah sana?
Nggak ada kayaknya. Kayaknya keliling sawah deh semuanya.
Iya. Namun kalau di daerah kita kan ada akses ke pemukimannya, ke rest area.
Buat yang kerja di situ kan, nyiapin parkiran motor juga.
Makanya dulu waktu Iran masih kecil kan mikir, ini rest area pinggir jalan tol, orang kalau bawa yang kerja di sini lewat mana ya, masa naik bis lewat tol berhenti di rest area. Kesini baru sadar, oh iya ada jalan akses ke pemukiman. Bodoh.
Goreng Kalimantan ada nggak? Pisang goreng Kalimantan.
Kayak gimana?
Iya,
Ya,
kerja
ada.
enak.
Modelnya kayak gimana?
Yang bisa goreng yang kremes itu kan dari sana, Bang.
Oh.
Kerja enak. Yang di model pisang gitu dia.
kasih
Apa,
kipas. Kipas.
Di depan gini, depannya kata lagi
Dia
yang
dari tas Kalimantan.
dia panjang.
Ini nggak nerusin pembicaraan yang kemarin soal project gali spiteng.
Enggak udah
Enggak,
cukup. Saat di sana gak keteng lagi.
Batasnya cuma satu tembok ya.
Kopi
Enggak ya, main batasnya satu tembok.
gimana?
Kita yang batasnya satu tembok doang. Lobsternya banyak kan. Gua harus di atas lobster.
Enggak di apa namanya? Tadi kasih sekat.
Iya, sekatnya itu doang yang pas mesin. Pas mobil mundur. Spiteng. Dia spitengnya tuh. Kalau untuk ukuran
Berarti udah selesai dia proyeknya itu ya? Sekarang baru jam 8 kurang 10, masih pagi. Gak ada schedule soal kepastian jam sih. Semua jam kita yang ngatur. Sampai buat nentuin sendiri mau makan tahu apa tempe, apa ini apa? Risol.
Ada pisang goreng ini.
Ada pisang goreng,
Yang viral.
ada cabai rawit.
Kalau di net malam suka nonton nanti tuh. Kalau beli cabai jadi sambil gadoin kayak orang di salap, cobain. Enak aja nggak? Oh, nggak pedes itu orang.
Nanti belajar joget itu berapa lama?
Ngapain dulu coba?
Ada setengah menit durasi ini nggak ada.
Sampai sekarang juga nggak bisa, gelan yang bisa.
Kalau aja nggak bisa.
Sama pelan nanti ngeliatnya. Bisa pelan dicepetin dikit, salah, pelan lagi. Bisa lama-lama nak.
Tidak aleta.
Nyanyi.
Itu si Om masih sampai sekarang masih suka nyanyiin tuh pelangi di hidungnya Aleta.
Oh,
Enak sih, jadi ya udah jadi pada kenal gitu kan.
iya.
Kita mah masih di bengkel. Ketemunya nanti di rumahnya. Yang lain udah pada nyampe udah masih di bawah.
Ini manjang rumahnya.
Ini ya manjang ke dalam ya. Tapi emang lebar juga sih, lebar juga.
Ini terasnya. Itu di pantai di sana. Kalian nggak jadi nikahin kucing nih.
Ketinggalan hilang, Wak.
Iya.
Hilang.
Iya.
Jadi di dalam rumah kan dikunci. Dia pakai kan kuku tuh, manjat gorden. Terus pas di atas gorden dia langsung ngejebol ini apa kan ada ventilasi tuh di atas pintu tuh, pakai kawat nyamuknya jebol sama dia.
Kan begitu. Belum mengenal tuanen ya. Kalau mengenal banget, dia nggak bakal mana-mana.
Mungkin yang ini kesepian di soalnya ini apa dia itu emang kayak kucing manja, jadi kayak nyariin kita. Kalau misalnya biasanya nih kita tinggal pulang, kita baru parkir mobil belum buka pintu aja dia udah meong dari dalam lagi gitu, kangen kali. Nah itu makanya tadinya pengen dibawa, tapi kan ternyata kita nggak stay di satu tempat tuh, makanya udah tinggal aja lah, kasih makan yang banyak. Kalau dari bekas-bekasnya kayak tempatnya gitu, ini kayaknya kabur baru sehari ini nih, kalau nggak hari ini atau baru kemarin baru dia kabur. Udah ada yang lamain itu pasti kayak gitu. Lumayan bagus soalnya. Lagi tuh lucu, bersih lagi kucingnya, jadi nggak jorok.
never let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight,
always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show